Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MarketWatch easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for MarketWatch. Press the enter key. Wait for the MarketWatch homepage to load. Locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. In the first field, enter your email address. In the second field, input your password. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you have entered your information, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. If successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your MarketWatch account dashboard. If you encounter an error, review your email and password for any mistakes. If the issue persists, consider resetting your password. Enjoy exploring your MarketWatch account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.